Hello and welcome to Panther Financial Services. This is Pranav Patil. Usually, we see a very common question: how long one should hold a particular stock. Now, there are different opinions about this question, and we will discuss all these parameters about this point in today's discussion. Now, what happens? Generally, people ask, okay, with this particular stock I have in this portfolio, what do you think? Should I keep it or should I sell it? Or there are certain question comes, okay, what do you think about particular stock? Should we add it more or should I buy it or not? But answer to this question we will discuss in different parameters. Now the first point is that if you have already invested, suppose if there are certain clients I have seen, they have invested long time back, like 2000 or 1990 also, in certain IPOs, and they are holding a stock. When they come with us and they ask our suggestion, it our intention or our point is not that those companies are not good or bad. What our intention, we don't track it. It is very difficult to track all the companies. So there are certain group of securities. Every this is happens in every, but broking house or research house or at every level. So those people or the analysis people, or those people who read the stock, they don't manage all the stock. So when the people come to us, we ask them to close this position, because we don't monitor those stock. It is as simple as that. Now the point come here: how long one should hold a particular stock. Now the very simple first point is that if you know the promoters, and if you know the company, and if you have the strong belief this company will do a great in the future, you should not even think about selling the stock irrespective of the price. Nobody knows or nobody can predict how high the stock may go. You have the example of Tesla as well. How high one can go, nobody knows. You have the second example of Zoom. What happened in the pandemic time? How, what high the stock went. You have the example of Robinhood as well. So there is no upper limit as such. The so as long as if you are strong on the promoter side, or if you know the people in the company, you should, and if you believe they are the good people, then you should not even think about the selling the stock. The second point is that what happens generally, if you buy 1,000 rupees and the stock comes at 900 rupees, you start sending the thought creation, okay, should I sell it or should I wait it? Should I sell it or should I wait it? Be on a one side only. Think that, okay, 2 to 3 simple points. Is it that wrong company I have invested? Is the company fundamentally strong? Is the company having a good people? If the answer is yes, then you should not be worried about the price. You see the Sun Pharma, from 1100 it went down to 300, from 300 it went up to 1100. You need to have a patience. So if you're if you're changing the mindset only by looking at the price, you need to stick with the one side only. And once you make a mind, irrespective of any price, you will add it only. Or if you feel, okay, no, the stock is not good, it is better to close it rather than asking the people. Now the third point is that if the company's fundamentals are strong. Now what happens, there are a lot of mutual fund, or the basically companies who recommend this kind of stocks. So they only go with the fundamentals and the con call as well. After every quarter there is a con call company arrange, and what happens in that call, or what happens in the report, accordingly they recommend the stock. So based on the fundamentals thing, based on the performance, if you are tracking it, if the performance is good, you don't need to even think of selling the stock or closing the stock. So we have discussed, first point is that if you know the promoters, you keep the stock as long as possible. If you know the fundamental of the particular company, and the fundamentals are strong, then you should not even think about the selling. The third point is that if you if you believe on the price, don't make the decision on the basis of price. For example, if you buy at 1000 rupees and the price come at 900, don't think that okay, what should I do, what should I do. Stick on the one side only. And the in the reshuffling, if you are doing the portfolio, understand portfolio. If you invest into 100 stock, or maximum, what happens, your portion of the investment is stuck in a particular stock. So you need to rebalance everything. And at the retail level, it is not a big, even if you open any mutual fund portfolio as well. The other day I was looking about the Axis mutual fund total portfolio. The portfolio was having only 17 securities, and the kind of amount they have invested is very, very big. Just imagine 17 securities. At the retail level, from that cash perspective, even we recommend only one stock, a good one stock, one or two stock. The returns are total depend on what you think about the market, or what you think about the particular stock, what vibrations you send it. The same thing you get into the returns. You have a thought on it. If you liked it, you can use it. Hope you enjoyed today's discussion. If you have any doubt or any comment on this, do mention in the comment box, or you can WhatsApp me anytime. Thank you for your time. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.